We just spent 48 hours on Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas, and while we've already made a full video covering all the wild activities and incredible experiences on board, this video is all about where we slept, showered, and where it took us by total surprise.
Oh my goodness!
This is our room tour, and trust us, it wasn't what we expected. See, we booked a budget-friendly sampler cruise, which is perfect for testing whether the ships are actually worth it to take on a longer cruise. We paid a total of 860 Australian dollars for both of us for 2 nights, expecting a standard interior room, no windows, no view, just walls. But then we opened the door and... wait, is that daylight? A balcony?
Well...
This is an upgrade.
I don't know what Eric did. We didn't book this room. This is insane.
Now the big question is, are balcony rooms actually worth it? Now up front we'll say yes, not just because we were expecting a shoebox and we got a sea view, but there's something else that happened on this trip, a moment that we weren't prepared for, and it made the balcony feel even more special. We'll show you that a little later on in the video, but for now, let's check out the room.
Hi Eric, come on in. Welcome to the Quantum of the Seas balcony room tour. And the crazy thing about this is we thought we were getting an interior cabin, and as you can tell, it's clearly not. So we'll start with the wardrobe. I will also say this room compared to the Voyager of the Seas is a lot more modern. And something I like about this is you can actually fit a suitcase in there. In our other room, we kind of had to stuff it behind the couch, but this is like, it seems like a decent amount of closet space. And we have this beautiful lounge area. Oh, just see us sitting here in the morning, sipping coffee. It's so, so nice. And over here, we have another cupboard. This one, you'll see, has a safe inside. Plenty of shelving for your folded clothes and extra hanging space just here, and a couple of coat hooks. Then we have a drawer and another drawer. Before we get into the bedroom, come back over to the office. Okay, that's the vanity switch. We love a good vanity. Okay, let's move on from the vanity slash office to the bar. So there is free tea and coffee and a kettle by the looks of it. You've got plenty of drawers here for your different appliances, more clothes. I know I say this every time, but the storage is so great. There's so much of it. I love it. Oh, and down here, what is this? We have a little, it's not a fridge. Oh, I don't know what it is. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I think it keeps your drinks cold. And then, come on over to the bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. Do you think this is extra storage?
Yeah, it's storage compartments.
There's even more storage up here. And if you did have a smaller suitcase, you could probably slide it in here too. I would worry about it being above my head while I sleep. Eric and I have memory foam pillows. We're used to sleeping very comfortably at home, and so when we get a bad pillow in a hotel or any type of accommodation, it really bothers us. And so we want to do something called the pillow test in every single place we stay to see how these pillows match up with our pillows at home. So, pillow test?
Here we go. Ooh, wow.
What do you think?
This is really nice. Bed's very comfy too. What do you think?
I think this pillow and I are gonna have some problems.
Oh, you're not a fan of the pillow. You know what's not gonna be a problem? Sleeping in complete darkness. You can't always control the softness of your pillows or the comfortability of your bed, but what you can do is you can make sure that you never go on another vacation without your Manta Sleep mask. Manta has completely revolutionized the sleep mask industry. So long gone are the days of those uncomfortable, cheap, flat masks that you get on the airlines that squish your eyelids and you wake up with a bit of a headache. No. These are different. What they've done, they've designed this C-cup shape here that fits perfectly around your eyes, You don't even know it's there. It has lightweight, breathable mesh material. It is so light, it feels like a feather. We don't go anywhere without our Manta Sleep masks, and they come in a range of different options. Now, if you want to go check out the range of Manta Sleep masks, like all these ones here, you can check out the website, which is linked below, and make sure you're using code LECKYLifestyle to get your discount at checkout. Thank you so much, Manta Sleep.
Lights. Gorgeous. And then we do have a TV here, and I'm wondering if it moves. Don't attempt to move it, it doesn't move. Come on through to the balcony. Okay, how does this work? There is a child lock up here, so I'll put that on for Eric a bit later.
Me and my sleepwalking.
Yes, Eric is a sleepwalker, so child locks are good for adults too. And come on out. Wow.
Not much of a view at the moment because we're still in the Brisbane terminal.
But once we're out at sea, it's gonna be crazy coming out here in the morning. I honestly didn't think, firstly, when we're on the Voyager of the Seas, I didn't think we needed the porthole. And now we're on the Quantums of the Seas, I didn't think we need the balcony, but now I really feel we do. I don't know what upgrade we paid for. If we paid for an upgrade, we're not sure, we'll see the bill later, but this is awesome. And there's some lounge chairs. You can lay flat. Oh no, do not lay flat. You cannot lay flat on these lounge chairs. I don't actually think we'll be spending a lot of time in the room, but maybe we'll have to now. Okay, so the final room, and this is always the room that I feel like makes me choose a place or not, and that is the bathroom. And I need space. Let's see. Oh, it's actually, I think it's a little bit bigger than our last.
Yeah, I think so, especially the shower area has a nice little corner shower.
Don't get stuck in there. Actually, really, it's all really modern. That's what I will say. I'm curious about when the ship was renovated or when it first was released into the Quantum fleet, but this room is 10 out of 10.
I'm really impressed. So like Sel was saying at the start, we definitely booked an interior room. So when we opened the door, this was definitely a shock. And I'm kind of sad that we only get to enjoy it for 48 hours. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be enough.
Me too, I'm so sad.
Now for the best perk of this room. A pod of dolphins started jumping out of the water as we began to pull away from Brisbane.
They're over there. Oh, look over there. I'm just gonna hold the camera here because I'm determined that they'll come back.
I waited for them to resurface, but sadly they were proving to be a little camera shy. I've spent so long trying to get you these dolphin shots, but it seems like every time I turn the camera off, they just pop up. There's no. You might just have to take my word for it. Eric's gonna be disappointed too that he missed out on this, but that was so amazing. It was a pod of dolphins jumping out of the water, like chasing the waves with us as we pulled away. It was just so amazing. I was so disappointed that I didn't capture the dolphins on camera to share with you all and with Eric, but it's definitely sold us on getting a balcony room on our next cruise. Thank you so much for watching, and this is your friendly reminder that you do not have to quit your job to live a life full of adventure. Check out our full Quantum of the Seas ship tour next, and if you want to travel in true dreamer style, grab one of the Manta Sleep masks. We'll leave the link in the video description and use the code LECKYLifestyle, one word. We'll see you soon.